friends, we thought of going out for a night trek. Well, it's evening right now and we have almost started our trekking. We are heading to one of the most popular forts in the Sahyadris, that is Kalavantin, which is very near to Prabalgarh. The trail route is pretty much same, but there's a diversion upar jaake, and that's going to make us explore some new places. I have my bestie with here, that's Yogesh, and we are with a group of around like 12 people, including us. The sun has almost gone down the horizon, as you can see, and I believe it's going to turn much more dark now. Bina light, light. Bina light, light. आराम से. क्या डेंजर लग रहा है भाई. हाथ के साइज के तो मकड़ी मिलते हैं यहाँ पे. क्या बोल रहे हैं फिर. So it has turned dark and it's super dark right now, like nothing is visible. Hi Sheet.
Hi.
Idhar.
Hi. How are you?
Rasika.
Hi. Bye.
So all are damn tired. Akurli. Aniket. Ramya. That's our Nakli SRK. Aniket. He has ditched us a lot and finally came for this trek. Chennai माल है वो. Alex Kenny.
Hi sir.
डैडी को झूठ बोल के आया है. मेरे को बोलना पड़ा. And that's our limbu pani. Say hi.
हाँ, नींबू पानी से आए.
आपका नाम?
आशा.
आशा. Here we have got something. 1, 2, 3. Well, you can get that product at www.gadgetthug.com. And we reach here. Small temple. You can see Ganesh ji. And here Hanuman ji. This is so beautiful. Well, this is the second time I'm coming here. The only difference is last time it was day. Now it's night. And trust me, night hours is very good for trekking. I mean, you can't see anything, but view is too mesmerizing. It's too good. It's too good.
Let's visit guys. बिनते दिल.
ये छैया ढोल पे बज रहे हैं. उसके लिए अपने नहीं.
So it's 4:30 a.m. in the morning and we have started off to Kalavantin. हाँ यही रास्ता. It's total dark. We've just entered this base village area through which we have to reach Kalavantin Durga. Let's see how the route goes. So this one is a quite tricky patch. An entire rock patch, and till now we have, I mean 75% of our people have climbed. We 3 are left. So we have crossed that patch. Can you throw light? This is how we came, and this is how we're gonna head forward. As you can see, there are about like 135 steps from here, and that's going to make us reach at the Pairi. So we have reached this top point. The last part was pretty crucial and difficult as there was 100% rappelling. We all have made it and we are waiting for the awesome sunrise. You can see the view. बोलना अनिकेत.
क्लाइंब कर रहे हैं ऊपर क्लाइंब कर रहे हैं
फाइनली
And that's Prabalgarh.